Now guys, today I'm bringing you the JBL Charge 6 review from my pool room. You see, I've been playing pool the last couple of weeks with this speaker just here, listening to music, and it's been absolutely fantastic. So in this review, I'm just going to take you through the whole thing. You see, this is the upgraded version of the JBL Charge 5, which we used last year. JBL Charge 5 we threw into the beach, into the water, into the pool. This is the next level up, and I tell you what, it's been a complete revamp. It's absolutely fantastic. So again, we'll go through the unboxing, test out the features, but use it in real world scenarios. So whether I'm sitting here playing pool at home, out on the beach, at the pool, we'll drop it, throw it, put it into the water, do all these kind of things, test out the sound, use it, and show you guys why this is a new upgraded version. And we really love using it. So also check out our JBL Flip 7, which we've done a review on. We can't wait to show you guys this little beauty. Anyway, I'm gonna put it on now and play some pool and come back to you with the review. All right, so let's get into it. So unboxing first. Inside, it's pretty simple. You've got the speaker, the manuals, and that's it. JBL doesn't include a USB-C charging cable with this anymore. And guys, I don't mind that, to be honest. We've got cables everywhere and it helps reduce e-waste. That doesn't mean you'll need to use one you already own. The speaker itself looks classic JBL, but heaps tougher. The fabric itself feels premium. The logo behind is bold and the base is now wider and flatter, so you won't roll off your table. Around the sides, the passive radiator bumpers are chunkier, giving you that extra protection, if you can see on there. And for the first time, JBL has added a detachable strap, so you can carry it more easily, or sling it over your shoulder when your hands are full. Powering on, the new button looks clean and it pairs instantly over Bluetooth. The Charge 6 still has that iconic design, but JBL has made it sturdier. It's now IP68 rated, so it's dustproof, waterproof down to 1.5 meters, and JBL says it can even survive a 1 meter drop onto concrete. So naturally, we have to throw it into the pool. So here we go guys, and let's test it out. Pool to see how it lives up to real world conditions. Now, I did the Flip 7 before. It actually sunk to the bottom, but it came up absolutely fine. So can't wait to try this out just now. So I've got my friend Puppy Dog just here to actually help us. So there he is there. So let's hopefully he can help us. Isn't that right, Loka? You ready to do it, Loka? Yes, you are. Okay, here goes the music with Loka joining in. Ready, Loka? Ready? Ooh! What's happened? And there it is. and there it is just there, completely fine, with Loka helping me. Thanks, Loka. So there you go, and as you can see, in the pool, it actually floated, unlike the JBL Flip 7, and Puppy Dog really loved it. The passive radiators also ripple the water, and it doesn't miss a beat. At the beach, it shrugs off sand, and in the games room here, it's a perfect low volume companion. And the park, you can really hear the difference. The Charge 6 is louder, punchier, and has more presence than the JBL Charge 5. At around 60-70% volume, it easily fills space without sounding harsh. Now next, talk about sound. Inside, JBL has upgraded the drivers for a total of 45 watts of output, up from 40 under Charge 5. And guys, you can really hear it. Bass is deeper, vocals are cleaner, and the sound feels more open. The big addition is AI Sound Boost. This is JBL's new tech that analyzes your music in real time and pushes the speaker harder while keeping distortion under control. And yes, it works. This thing gets seriously loud for its size. Even at max volume, you can still get a little bite in the highs, but overall it's impressive. You know what guys, let's do a bit of a sound test now. If you know what the sound test, just skip through, but it'll give you a good idea about how this actually sounds. Now how about battery life? Well, Charge 6 is rated for 24 hours of playtime, and with Playtime Boost, you can stretch it to 28 hours. So what's Playtime Boost? It allows you to tweak the EQ to give you more mids and highs while reducing bass to save battery. Personally guys, I leave it off most of the time. I like to have the maximum impact, the sound really pumping away. But it's great if you're a long picnic or camping trip. And of course, the built-in power bank is there as well. So you can actually charge your phone, charge your devices straight from the speaker. It really is a great touch. I love it. And the app is really where the things get interesting. The JBL Portable app now gives you a 7-band customizable EQ, up from the basic 3-band on the Charge 5. That means you can fine-tune the sound exactly how you like it. Want more bass? Boost the lows. Want vocals to pop? Push the mids. Guys, it does make a huge difference. And honestly, it's one of the best upgrades in the Charge 6. From the app, you can also toggle AI sound boost, playtime boost, and stereo pair 2 Charge 6 units. Plus the Charge 6 now also uses Auracast instead of Party Boost. That means you can link it with any other new JBL speakers like the Extreme 4 or Flip 7, but here's the catch. If you want to pair it with your old Charge 5, it doesn't work. So if you've got a Party Boost collection, the Charge 6 won't sync with them. But that doesn't matter, does it? So how does it stack up against the Charge 5? Now listening to the JBL Charge 6 is such a pleasure. Here I'm outside, so you've got lovely parklands here to listen to it. It really is lovely to listen to. You put it on there, and the sounds you can hear from anywhere as well. So as you can see, it's a beautiful day here in Brisbane. There's a speaker, and it's perfect to listen to some tunes and really bop along. So yeah. So now we're going to see what the speaker does after we do a big throw of it and test out the durability. So let's do that just now. So there you go, perfectly fine. Now how does it go when we actually throw it end to end up versus just flat? So I'm going to come back, I'm going to chuck it up and see how it goes. So there it is there. Let's go and turn on the sound and see how it goes. So there you are, perfectly fine. Well guys, how does it stack up against the Charge 5? The Charge 6 gives you more bass, more volume, tougher build quality, IP68 protection, drop resistance, a carrying strap, better battery options, and a far more powerful app EQ. So you get a ton with it. The trade-offs: no USB-A port anymore, no AUX input, no cable in a box, and no compatibility with party box speakers. But if you're coming from a Charge 4, it's a massive leap. If you're a Charge 5, guys, I think the upgrade is actually worth it. It's louder, bassier sound, Auracast, and that EQ flexibility. But the Charge 5 is still a solid unit. So, and I'll do a full review of the difference between both of them in a later videos. But here's my verdict. The Charge 6 is exactly what we wanted. Louder, tougher, smarter, and more customizable. It's a perfect speaker for the beach, the park, barbecues, or just chilling at home. Buy it if you want a true all-day speaker that does everything you can throw at it. So here we are on the Gold Coast in Australia reviewing the JBL Charge 6. Now we're testing it in beach weather because that is where you use these type of speakers outdoors. You can see it's just there. Now the beautiful Gold Coast, we're just going to go test it out in the water. We're going to put it into the beach, see how it goes. Now it is waterproof for up to an hour submerged. I wouldn't recommend using it in salt water all the time though, because it can corrode it, but we're going to put it in there shortly to see how it works out. But it really is a lovely speaker, as you can see it's just there. And excellent sound, and can't wait to put through its outdoor tests. Buy if you want a true all-day, do-everything speaker that can survive whatever you throw at it. Buy 2 if you want proper stereo. If you want something smaller, guys, don't forget to check out our JBL Flip 7 review. We've also got that on the channel as well. Now I want to hear from you. Would you get a Charge 6 or 2 for stereo? Is Auracast a big deal breaker or a deal maker for you? And should I test this thing on concrete next? I haven't really wanted to, but guys, for you, I'll do anything. And should I take this thing on, take it camping? Let me know in comments and let me know what you think. And if you made it this far, type Charge on below so I know you're one of the legends. Make sure you like the button, subscribe, and check the description for our giveaways. Anyway guys, I'm gonna play some pool and you guys listen to some of this great music.